Welcome to how to change emoji in Snapchat. So in this video we are going to show you how to change emoji in Snapchat. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all what you're gonna have to do, you will simply open up Snapchat, and then after opening up Snapchat you will tap on your profile image at the top left here, and this will open up your Snapchat profile, and then you will tap on settings option at the top right, and then if you scroll down here under additional services, tap on friends emoji. So simply tap on this one, and here you can see that you can basically change your friend emojis. So let's suppose that if you want to change the emoji of your BFF, you simply tap on this one, and then from here you can select any different emoji here. So I will select this one here, and then after this here you can see I have this. Then if you go back here you will see that now this emoji has been changed. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.